For this next test, we're going to do the posterior intercostals. This test is very similar to the glute max test. So I'm going to have the client is going to have you bring your leg out about 10 degrees. There you go. From here, I'm going to have you actively bring your knee up to knee flexion. Just bring your heel up to knee. Okay. And then from this position, I want you to extend your right hip up. Left hip. Good. Relax. Now, from this position, we want to make sure that the testing subject of the glute max is strong and secure before we go to the posterior intercostals. So you can relax and hold. Okay, so if we wanted to see if it was strong, I say ready, hold, and test. Again, if that is strong, then we can go move forward in testing the posterior intercostals. So when we're testing the posterior intercostals, so I'll start it back over. If that was strong, again, come out to 10 degrees. Actively give me knee flexion. From knee flexion, I want you to go into hip extension with your left leg. Good. Relax. Now from here, I want you to fully exhale. Ready, hold. And then from there, we would give, if it was test as weak or positive or strong. When we go to the DFMAT, what we would do is we would find that 12th rib. From the 12th rib, we would go to the superior part of the rib and then to the inferior part of T11. And then we would go to the anterior part of T11 and then come to the inferior part of T10. And what we would do is we would work our way all the way up from T12, all the way from the 12th rib all the way up to the first rib. Once we get to the first rib, we would then retest. So then I would have you again bring your leg out to 10 degrees. Actively bring your knee up in the flexion. There we go. Extend the leg. There you go. Relax. Exhale. And hold. 1, 2. For our pick, we would just again have them come up, exhale, and then give 10% effort, 6 seconds for 6 repetitions.